Oh, jeez.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 574, effective until 8 a.m. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield County, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, and Passaic, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York; New York Harbor, Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York; Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles; and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for New York Harbor, including Raritan Bay, Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, until 4:15 a.m. At 3:06 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a developing line of heavy showers and isolated thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds over 35 knots from 15 nautical miles west of Raritan Bay to 22 nautical miles southwest of Barnegat Light, moving northeast at 55 knots. This line of heavy showers and isolated thunderstorms will be near Raritan Bay around 3:30 a.m., the Verrazano Narrows, Upper New York Harbor around 3:35 a.m., Lower New York Harbor around 3:40 a.m., Rockaway Inlet, Sandy Hook Bay, Sandy Hook around 3:45 a.m., entrance to New York Harbor around 4:05 a.m., Middle Bay around 4:10 a.m., Jones Inlet around 4:15 a.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, and brief heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this line passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4:15 a.m. for the following marine locations: New York Harbor and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County.
I'm about to get another alert, I think. Let me just see. Nope.